All right, buenos dias. As you know, I am gone this week. So while I am gone this week, you're going to have a quiz over Sarah versus Estar on either Tuesday or Wednesday. So make sure you're ready for that. And then you're going to make me a poster. So what you're going to do is start with a rough draft on a piece of notebook paper. You're going to write one sentence for each of the letters in doctor and in place, showing the use of our to be verb in that way. So one sentence showing Sarah being used to show a description. One with a star showing the position of something. One for the O in doctor showing someone or something's occupation. One with a star showing location, etc. I want you to use a different subject for each one. So someone's name, it can't be I am. So be creative. My brother, my mom, my dad, my siblings and I, etc. But you need to use at least the yo, the tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, and ustedes, ellos, ellas forms for each verb. Okay? There's the bell. Because I want to see you use as many different forms of the verb as you can. Okay? So you're going to write this, do a rough draft. Then you're going to have a classmate check it. Because if your classmate can't understand what you're trying to say, chances are I won't be able to understand what you're trying to say. Okay? After you have a classmate check it, you can ask your A+ teacher to check it. You don't have to. But you have to have at least one peer check it. Okay? I do not want your rough drafts. Don't give them to me. Okay? Once you've had it checked, and your classmates can understand you, your peers can understand you, you're going to get one of these long pieces of paper, you're going to fold it in half. I don't care if you do your poster this way, or if you do it that way, I don't care. All I care about it is that it's colorful. You're going to write doctor on one side, you're going to write place on the other side, and then you're going to write your corrected sentences on there. For each one, I would like a colorful picture, okay? So for example, this one says, mi mamá es bonita, and then there's a picture of a pretty mom. Okay, I'm not looking for museum quality artwork. I'm looking for, can I tell what your picture is supposed to be? Okay, your sentences, I'm not looking for something like profound and deep. I'm looking for something that a second grader, maybe a first grader could understand. My mom is pretty. My dog is from Kansas City. Okay, I'm not looking for anything more complicated than that. With your action in progress for the A in place, I will leave instructions on how to do that because I know that we haven't gotten to that tense yet. I will leave instructions for that on the board. Okay. Your sentences are 1 point each. Your illustration are 5 points. Okay. So if you don't include your drawings, you're automatically dropping yourself down to a D. Okay. So it's not that hard to draw some quick pictures for me. Including your name and hour is also 2 points, so make sure that don't miss silly points for that. This is going to be due at the end of the hour on Thursday if you are in first or third hour. It's going to be due at the end of fourth hour or end of the day on Friday if you're here for fourth hour. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask your A+ tutor because they know they've all done this project. They know what you should be doing. Also, your A+ tutor will not check work for you. They will not check your sentences unless you have a peer's signature on there because they're not going to do your work for you. This is your grade, not theirs. They've already passed this class. Now it's your turn. Okay? And it'll be the same way whenever I'm here. Like, I won't check your work until you've had a peer check your work on a project because I want you to do the work. I'm not going to do it for you. Use your time wisely. Use your resources. I'm going to leave a couple of examples here for you. You cannot take those back to your table. If I see that you've used the same sentences that are on the examples and that you put them word for word on there, I will not give you points. I'll make you redo it. Okay? Make your pictures pretty. There will be art supplies up here, probably over here on my desk next to my phone. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.